Yo, what's good, y'all? This is your boy JJ Hearts, aka Honda G. My package just came in today, and I am ready to do what I gotta do. But this package here is my front lip for my car. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying to look exclusive, I'm trying to look cute, and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm about to open it up. Let's get it. So, there you go. This is my universal front lip for my car. Universal. You can use it for any car you want. This is for the people that is on budget and stuff like that. But the way it looks, it was cute, and I just decided to get it. But anyways, I'm just showing you on this package right here that I got, the 3-piece. I'm gonna put it on, but before I even put it on, I am going to change this into gloss black. You feel me? But instead of leaving it matte black, I'm about to make it glossy black so I can look shiny a little bit. You know what I'm saying? So your boy 534 is about to do it. I'm definitely going to show you what paint I'm going to really be using to make it look professional. And I'm going to try to do this properly because this is going to be my first time ever painting professional now. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Your boy is back. And I got some accessories that I'm going to use in order for me to paint this professionally. You know what I'm saying? So look here. I got this microfiber towel, rubber alcohol to clean it. I got this 400 sandpaper grit, which is smooth and all that. You know what I'm saying? And I got this black paint right here, this gloss black paint, which I'm going to use. But first, I'm going to have to use this primer right here because the primer is the one that's going to help the paint stick. You know what I'm saying? All this. And this right here, I have the clear coat in order for me to make it shine and to protect the paint as well. That's the main reason why I am using it. You know what I'm saying? To make it shiny, to make it look good and all that. And also, I forgot to mention is that I have the screws here that came with it. And I got some extra screws in my car just in case. You know what I'm saying? So I'm good. I ain't got to worry about it and nothing like that. But I am going to go in and I might have to go outside. I'm going to go outside and do it like in my backyard. I'm going to definitely do it in the backyard, not in here. You know what I'm saying? So now, as what I did, I tried to do my backyard, but it's raining outside, so I decided to do it in my little living room and put the wrap all over the floor so that way I won't get no paint or nothing on it. And my windows is open, so I'm not even worried about it. You know what I'm saying? And also, before I do all this stuff, I want to clean it with this. Before I sand this down, before I prime it, boom, I'm going to do this. You know what I'm saying? This is a degreaser spray, stuff like that. It's for cleaning and all this stuff. You know, it's not even focusing. Yes, as you can see, this is it right here. You feel me? Cleaner, degreaser, good for like plastics, automotive, stuff like that. As on top, it says auto, home, industry, farm, marine, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it, man. So for this part right here, I'm about to sand it. You know, I got 4 more just in case, but I'm about to sand this right here, all this. So that way the shininess can come out, then I'm just gonna re-prime it, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. So now I'm about to use this primer right here for this joint, you know what I'm saying? So as y'all can see right here, I just primed it real quick, like my first coat. I think it was a heavy coat, I'm guessing. But what I'm going to do is like sand it down again a little bit, and then I'm going to do the second coat on it. Then after that, I'm going to do the paint, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna make sure this is good, and I'm gonna wait like 20 to 30 minutes. You feel me? So let's get it. So now I did like a little sanding and stuff so it could come out smooth. So now right now I'm about to do like one more coat of the prime painting, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? So let's go. Alright, so I'm back now. I'm about to do like 2 or 3 coats on this real quick over here, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it, man. So now as you can see, I did 2 coats and it came out real good. You know what I'm saying? Might be a couple little lines on it from me sanding it, but it's okay though, because I can recoat it again if I want to. But I heard you only had to do 1 coat, but I choose to do 2 to make it look smooth, you know what I'm saying? So what I'm going to do now is a clear coat to make it shiny and have the paint protective, and that's about it for the day, you feel me? I'm back, y'all. This is completely dry. This is shiny, but not too shiny, because some things is still not that shiny, which is fine with me, because it's going to be on the car. Like this part is shiny, which is great. You know what I'm saying? Even over here is a little bit shiny, but it's all good though. You know what I'm saying? The clear coat is on it. It's protected. The paint won't chip off that easy. It shouldn't. You know what I'm saying? And I'm about to get ready to install this, and I'm going to show you what tools I need and what, you know, accessories and stuff like that I need to put it on. So that's it. Let's go. So I'm back, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I want to show you my stuff real quick before I start installing it. I got my hoodie on the floor just in case if I got to lay down and do it. You know what I'm saying? I got my pieces right here. I got my drill for me to drill on the nails and stuff. The nails is right here. These are the screws that I got right here. You feel me? And I got the double-sided tape. So when I put it on, I could hold on to it so that way it will hold. And then I could just be able to drill it. Or I have a tape just in case, you feel me? So, and then this is the same thing too, which the pieces I got left, which I don't mind using. So, oh, and also before I even install it, I have this right here, Purple Power, like I showed you in the earlier video, I think, to clean underneath here. You know what I'm saying? Look at all this. It's dirty, you feel me? So I'm gonna just spray it and just wipe it down. You feel me? So yeah, man, look at this. I cleaned it up right good as I could, you know what I'm saying? So cleaned it all up. So I'm about to get ready to install this now. So let's go. So far I only did the middle part right now. I installed like 3 screws underneath for now. The best way I could. It was hard, but good thing I was able to get underneath. So now I'm gonna have to do the 2 other sides, and I wonder how that's gonna be, but I got this, you feel me? So yeah, man, I did it. It was not hard for me to do. I did the front and the sides, both sides, you feel me? And what's crazy about it is that I was able to do this alone, like literally by myself. Like nobody didn't help me or anything. This is like a 2-man job, but it's a miracle that I was able to do this by myself. Like it was crazy, you know what I mean? I was about to call one of my homies for help, but I said, nah, let me do this myself, and then I did it. You feel me? And it wasn't hard for me to do it, so yeah, man, this is about it. And this came out good. Let me show you this side. It might be a little gap, but it's okay though. You know, just the way it is. That's just the way it is, because it's universal. So then boom, over here is the same way, which I'm not too baffled by. So, and what's bothering me is this right here. Like when I was trying to scoot in, this part is like in the ways because I already scooted in, but I did it the best way I could, and it came out pretty good, man. But I truly want to thank everybody, each and every one of you, for watching this video as well. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I got new videos coming soon. Your boy, Mr. 534 is out. Peace.